Welcome back to Home Design Channel. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of Mediterranean style as we give our space a touch of the fabulous Mediterranean flair. Whether you're a fan of the sun-soaked coastlines or the rustic charm, this style is all about bringing the warmth and beauty of the Mediterranean into your home. Let's get started. To capture the essence of Mediterranean style, start with an inspirational mood board. Think warm color palettes, earthy tones, and images of charming coastal villages. This will guide you in creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget the details. Mediterranean decor is all about small, intricate touches. Consider adding decorative tiles, mosaic patterns, and pottery. These elements not only add visual interest, but also tell a story of the region's rich history and culture. Bring the outdoors in by creating Mediterranean-inspired outdoor living spaces. Think a cozy patio with comfortable seating, soft pillows, cool green plants. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a cup of coffee or eat delicious snacks while soaking in the Mediterranean ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Choose fixtures that evoke the charm of the Mediterranean, such as wrought iron chandeliers, pendant lights, and lanterns. Soft, warm lighting will enhance the overall ambience of your space. As we wrap up our Mediterranean-inspired transformation, remember that the key is to embrace the warmth, simplicity, and richness of the Mediterranean lifestyle. And there you have it. By incorporating these Mediterranean-inspired elements, you can transform your kitchen space into a fabulous retreat that captures the essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Let's watch a video slideshow of an inspiring Mediterranean-style kitchen. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!